ke me vandag ke tlimo ke dumetse re tlo check final
Yeah.
e ke botsa batho ke re Pirates so there was a last time re bapala le Baroka
Yeah.
at Telkom knockout. It was the time of
2018, yeah.
2018. I you that game ke botsa batho ka re ga re rapala go tja game
Yeah.
league sa tje
Yeah.
this year ke botsa ka re na tja cup ka tja cup ro tja league
99.
ro tja league 99
Ke kopa njwetse ne. Sorry ke ska disturb. Oh no batla bua no batla ho renga tsaka.
bon for now ne coach rana e swere game ga was clear ne
Abdeslam.
mara one thing e from ya gore Abdeslam a tlhokomele one thing today namtanjela was saving yellow card
Yeah.
yellow card o riskile ka go ntša mpathana yellow card
Yeah.
it could cost us the game
It could cost us.
if mpatha if it have another yellow card
Sisankingeni.
card
Sisa driving.
is driving
Yeah.
today amarum galant ne abafuni ukudlala badlala u low block
Bafuna ama penalty.
bafuna ama penalty le goalkeeper yabo ne le goalkeeper nabo
Yeah.
yiyo isebenzini namhlanje
Spanile.
mara umuntu after manje today ama fans
99. Spanile ama fans. Spanile ama fans. Yeah. Spanile ama fans.
fantak Pirates ne bezile namhlanje la yeah
So umfethu ngicela ungitshele ne so looking at the side here Marumo Gallants because of second half they kind of dominated the game kancane likhona iplayer beligwaresha maybe ukuthi leli ngathi izosihlupha kancane.
ya mina ngizele game le ngizobona ukuthi uNtondo uwo le problem la ma but the first half ibamvalile angadlali second half bathelele kumvala kancane kancane abakhipha umpatha kaish solimala manje la mare today ke re umtsoleji cause ngeke angashutele game yi-1
Yeah, I didn't ever shot.
didn't shot target today yeah ngithi bamvalile uNtondo namhlanje i-homework right uSipocheni ukhulumile lapha PSL News athi umuntu amona ukuthi uzokhosa iproblem kwa Pirates ngoNtondo
Yeah. And bamvala.
le homework la ka Sipocheni bamvalile
Bamvala. Awuthi in closing ne ngicela sinikeze uTLB words of encouragement njengoba kadlala igame yakhe yokugcina Vandag.
guys bona TLB is our love
Yeah.
is our heart guys TLB ulo mona dlala kenya goal
Yeah.
wa raka wohle komrago ga re
Yeah.
adlala wohle
Kitlasala kiliwa.
it was a first back line on the PSL adlala ali one komrago
So basically udlala
uthathe yonke manje
formation bariki 19.
yeah uthi hambani mina ngidlala i1 lapha back line yeah ubona TLB adlala lo Swiss akazi ukuthi athi bathu hambani mara adlala lo CM uthi hambana fethu hambani
Azosala
nami li1 la yeah
So ungamtshela ukuthini njengoba eAmerica?
eish akuphethe kahle mfana lokuthi abaningi ama player ahamba ngaphandle ne manje ama behavior khona eish afasisa le manje uTLB ufuna ukuthi athu khuluza umoya ne uzoba kahle
Uzoba mnandi.
le player le
Start. Awuthi ngiyabonga nemfowethu. Danko.
Shosha mpintshi.